Cat bopping is the act of bopping cats on the head with your hand. My technique is go outside. You have to kind of bait them. I have this little trash can where I take some food out, put it in a little tray, and I set it down. That's where I wait. Sometimes I'm waiting for hours before a cat comes along. When that cat comes, take a moment. I relish what's about to perspire. And then bop on the head. To catch a cat, you have to think like a cat. And cats, they're elusive little bastards. They like to stare you down. You gotta stare right back. The black cat, he does take the bait sometimes. A lot of times he just comes and he sees me giving the bait. He sees the other cats around. He's like, not doing it. This black cat, he knows the area, is what we'll say. After I've taken the bait out, I will sometimes search for the cat. I'll go to different areas of the barn. Then I'll put down the bait, hoping the black cat will come out. Sometimes he doesn't even ever come out. Sometimes he'll come out, he'll see the other cats and just stare at me. Get that eye lock going. I'm just like, you bastard. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna bop you. I baited him and I waited, and he came to me. 2 years of pent-up rage, lots of nervous breakdowns and lost family members. Later, I finally got it. Just put out my palm. I got him.
What do you do?
He ran away. Scared. I'll say this. Cats were put on the earth to be bopped. And I'm the man who's gonna do it. I'm hoping one day it becomes an Olympic sport. And on that day I'll be ready. And I'll take the gold for America, USA, all the way.